Alright friends, today we are going to move on with the next steps of our lava lamp project, and today we are going to be making the geometric shape, which will be a triangle. That's going to be the inside of our lava lamp, or the place where the lava is actually flowing up and down. So to start, you're going to get a rectangle piece of paper, and we are going to fold it in half, but just at the top. So I'm just going to line up the corners of my paper here, and I'm just going to pinch right here at the top. I'm not going to slide down to make that fold all the way. All I want is just a little fold right here at the top of our paper, and that shows us where the center or the middle of this top distance of our paper is. Once we have that fold right there, I'm going to go ahead and use my pencil and make just a little bit of a mark, because this is where we're going to make our triangle. That's going to be the top of our triangle for our lava lamp. So we're going to use a ruler next, and we will line up our ruler with the top of, with that mark at the top of our paper, and then down here at the bottom, we're going to line our ruler up with the edge of our paper. I like to take the tip of my pencil and put it right here and just hold it where I know I want my shape to start, and then you can just bump your ruler up against your pencil. Then once that is touching, you can just kind of slide the bottom to make it touch the point, and we'll make our line. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So again, I'm going to put my pencil right where my point is. I'm going to bump my ruler right up to it, and then I'm going to just turn my ruler until it touches that corner. Double check that everything is touching here and at the bottom, and then I'm going to make my line. Okay. This center is the geometric shape, or the triangle, that we are going to use for our lava lamp. This and this are both going to be scraps. We're not going to do anything with them now, but you can go ahead and put X's because we will eventually be cutting those off. Now that we have our geometric shape for our middle of our lava lamp, we are going to use organic shapes inside our lava lamp to make it look like the lava is bubbling up through our lava lamp. Now remember that geometric shapes are shapes with names like triangle, rectangle, circle, square, any shape with a name. Organic shapes are shapes that do not have names. They are just made from curved lines. So I'm going to make kind of a blob here, and I don't like that pointy part, so I'm just going to actually erase that. I'm going to make it more of a curve there. So these blob type shapes are going to be geometric or organic shapes that will fill up our lava lamp. Just like that. Once you have your organic shapes inside your geometric shape, then we are going to trace it with a Sharpie. And once you have everything traced with Sharpie, we are going to be choosing two colors to color in our lava lamp. I'm going to go ahead and pause this for a second, finish tracing, and then we'll pick up here when I'm done. Okay, so now that we have everything traced with Sharpie, we are going to start talking about how we will be choosing colors to color in our lava lamp. Last time when we were working on the background, you had to choose if you were going to use warm colors or cool colors for your background. Remember that warm colors are pinks, reds, oranges, and yellows. So any of those warm colors that remind you of something that's hot or the sun, oranges, reds, yellows, and pinks. Cool colors are going to be the blues, greens, and purples. So for my background last time, you can see that I chose cool colors. I did blue, green, and purple for my background. That means that I'm going to be using warm colors for my lava lamp on the inside. So I have already chosen pink and yellow for my lava lamp. So what I'm going to do is start with my pink, and using proper marker technique. Remember, when we use markers, we do not color back and forth like with a crayon. We actually use stripes. And that helps keep the tips of our markers strong. If we color back and forth, those tips end up getting weak, and then they will bend and break. So we use strips or stripes or lines, however you want to describe it. I like to go around the outside edge first, and then just fill in with my lines. So I start at the top, come down to the bottom, and you can see the lines in your marker. So it's very easy to tell if you are coloring it in the right way. And if you have a space where the white paper is showing through, that's when you use the very tip of your marker. So where I have some white areas, I'm just going to hold my marker straight up and down and use just that tip to color in those white spots. So my organic shapes are being colored in here with my warm colors, just like this. Once you have your lava colored in, then you're going to color in your background around your lava with your second color. So since I chose yellow, I'm going to go ahead and start just along this long edge. And again, I'm definitely using strips of color. I don't want to go back and forth. We will color in this entire background with our colors. And that will be it for today.